Hey, so this workshop is around how to use reversing for decimals. Same as using reversing with whole numbers, just slightly trickier. So we're going to look at a problem such as 9.3 take away 6.54. Should point out reversing only works for subtraction, and the idea is that we reverse the subtraction to create an addition problem. So it would look as an equation like 6.54 plus what equals 9.3. I'm going to show it on a number line because that's probably the most efficient way to visualize or to imagine the equation. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use our bonds to 100 to jump up to the next tidy number. So we're bonding here to get to 7, and I'm using my bonds. I know it's going to be 46, so we're adding 0.46. And then from 7, I'm going to jump to 9.3. And I know it's between 7 and 9.3 is 2.3. You could have a jump to 9, which would be 2, and then another jump, which would be 0.3. You could break it up like that, but if it's fine, if you can do something in one jump, then, don't jump twice. You always want to have as few steps as possible. Like stepping stones across a river, the more stones you will step on, the more chance you are to slip. That said, the bigger you make your steps, the more likely you are to slip. So you want to try and find that happy middle ground, know your abilities. But I think for most people here, this would be fine. 2 steps for reversing. Just going to do another example of that. So let's imagine I've got 7.2 take away, not 8, sorry, 5.74, sorry, 5.74. 5.74 plus, using my tidy numbers, 26 or 0.26, and that would take me to 6. And then I would jump the remaining 1.2 that's needed there. And I just realized I forgot to do the most important thing for the last step, is that I didn't add these 2 numbers together at the end. That was is crucial. So what have I got? I've got 1.2 and I've got 2.6. So altogether I've got 1.46. So don't be like me and forget to add those 2 jumps together at the end. Hopefully that's enough to explain reversing. But of course, by all means, ask me if you have any questions.